So good evening to all of you. We are going to talk about mind powers. Now what is mind? First you should understand what is mind. We have in our body, mind is nowhere. It's not a substance. It's something like soul, without any form, without any color, without anything. And the mind is eternally there with you. When an idea comes to you, you go on thinking about it or drop it. But if you go on thinking about it, it becomes a thought. And when you want to implement it, it becomes a desire. And when the desire is to be implemented with all the wishes by you, it becomes a willpower. Now mind is always creating desires. And these desires are to be fulfilled by your brain, thoughts and the body. Body is for action. Your hands and legs, they are all for action. Heart is for love. Brain is for knowledge, intelligence. And your spinal cord, where the chakras are there, that is for sadhana. Now we are concerned here only with your powers. Everybody wants powers. Everybody desires, I should be able to do everything that I want. And when the desires are not fulfilled, you feel unhappy. Many people, when they are destitute, they think that none of my desires are fulfilled. Why God has given me so much unhappiness? Why I have done this? Why I have done that? What is the reason? They go on thinking. Some of them shout also that so much unhappiness should not be there to my enemies even. As if others are happy. Now everybody desires more and more happiness, more and more happiness. And how happiness will come? By action of your thoughts. If they are put in proper order, if you have desires which are not fulfillable. One fellow came to me, he said, I want to be Prime Minister of India. Okay, then you have to work. Plan out what should be done to become Prime Minister. How Manmohan Singh became the Prime Minister. How Atal Bihari Vajpayee became the Prime Minister. How Jawaharlal Nehru became. Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, all them. They are by headship. They are not born in that family. Headship goes out. What other things should be done? You must be able to have a plan, and a desire must be fulfilled. If you are unable to fulfill, these mind powers are to be utilized for positive purposes. If you fulfill them for negative purposes, what would happen? Your robber is there, he robs the bank. He gets the money. Is he happy? Every minute he thinks, police will come, somebody will catch me. Wherever he is, he can't sleep. People go on making mischief with the income tax department or the government departments. And when the man is knocked, they think whether income people must have come, whether the raid is there, whether this is there, that is there. So what is the use of acquiring something which is not proper? You must deserve what you want. If you don't deserve, then what happens? It's a burden. If you become a minister without any qualification, you may be removed any time. And there are so many ministers that way. Today we have hundreds of ministers who have no knowledge at all. When Morarji Desai became the finance minister of India, there was a cartoon by Lakshman in Times of India that we have a finance minister who is learning economics and finance by employing a professor at his home. I used to carry a bag, cloth bag on his shoulder with a voucher, bill book, checkbook, slip book, all that. And from that, when he died, you know how much he has left? 96 million rupees. His two sons are there, having 48, 48. One of them has gone ahead, Mukesh, and he got the 62, other one is behind.
Whether they dissolve, they are fighting. So all that you want, you must fulfill that and enjoy it thereof. If you get something which you don't deserve, it will not give you any happiness. I remember the case of a taxi driver who got lottery for 10 lakhs of rupees. And when he got the news, he checked for ticket number, everything was okay. He started for his home. Next day he was to get 10 lakhs of rupees. And after reaching home, he died within 4 days. Overflow of emotions. He could not think what he will do with 10 lakhs. Now these powers, how to acquire the powers? Now you have to be very slow and go on acquiring the power slowly and steadily. Otherwise, there is likely to be misuse, you may jump and you may fall. Now what is power? You know steam prepared out of water. Just one. A petition. These once saw in the kitchen when the mother was cooking that the steam which was coming out of the vessel was creating sound. The dish which was there above the vessel was making sound, going up and down. He thought there is some power there. Now the dish is going up and down, it is weighting, more weighting than the water. But even then what happened? And he started thinking. More with power. Force was there. How far the then he prepared a tube, pipe, and put it there, and found out that the force is going very fast. And he invented steam engine. Today, 22 carriages are being carried by an engine with thousands of tons of luggage. Now what is that steam? That steam is creating power. But that steam is coming out slowly and in a proper way, proper form. And it tears up in the air in such a way that the power goes very far. And from there he found that the wheels can be moved. And the steam engine came in. And we are enjoying the first flow. Same for the matter with the electricity. The man who found electricity found there is some force in it. From where the force is coming? From nature. If you go to Lonavala and find out how the electricity is created by water and the copper sheets, you will wonder it. But it is there. Everywhere the power is there. Now if these powers are to be acquired by you, what happens? You have to grasp that from the atmosphere slowly and slowly. Now the powers are increasing. Every day you get more and more powers. But with the powers, if you get anger, if you develop your ego, your pride and other things, what happens? You lose them in no time. Then you become angry, what happens? You are driving out lot of force from your body or from your brain in the atmosphere to make an effect on the other person. Whether he is affected or not is a different thing. And secondly, most of the people are saying, they become angry only when somebody is making them angry. They don't become angry themselves. Somebody makes a twist. Somebody uses a bad language, ironical language, some laughter. Something wrong. And they are scared. They feel that something is wrong. And they immediately shout. And they lose a lot of energy. What happens in a court? A lawyer, he knows how to extract real information out of a witness. He puts him in the box, goes on talking something simple here and there, and then he puts in proper question. Then the fellow will shout out, yes, sir, this is true. When the real truth comes out. One fellow was there in the box. He said, I have not murdered, I have not done this, I have not done anything.